We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with GETR doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area in today's volatility. But it was not the only stock pulling back today. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 12:40 p.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with GTR doing a full transition, trying to hold itself up here above 45 cents. We're going to break it all down in today's video, what key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bear indicator at 6:45 a.m. and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and put options went up 200% plus within minutes, guys. And as you see there popping up within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with GETR doing a full transition, as I stated earlier in the video, from the rip area of bright green bars on 42 vision to the dip area of white with red borders. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with GETR under a bear indicator at around the area of 67 cents, and outflows crossed over today right after the bell, going into that pure weakness there, and now sitting at around the 49 cent area in the after hours and trying to find support here at 45 cents. It tried to hold it, bounced off of it, and now the question mark is, could it hold it going into tomorrow? Well, the first thing is these outflows are dominating again on the 30-minute, and it's going to be crucial for the bulls to pull this back up towards the midpoint and actually cross over it, guys. It's at negative 0.18 of outflows, and outflows dominated all day. Now, the stock did hit new highs in today's pre-market and also after the bell at 80 cent area, since way down here when we started covering it when it was around 32 cents. And now it's rejected the fastest and the biggest in a single day. We have not seen a full transition like today happen in one single day. Could this mean further weakness? Well, the bulls are trying to fight and hold this up above 40 cents. They're trying to go back towards 50, but it's going to be crucial for these inflows to pick up, not just here on the 30-minute, but on multiple time frames And if it does not, it's just going to be volatility as we see it, especially if this bear indicator continues to dominate. So I'm going to share with you guys the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow. So the first thing is, when we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour, we could see that outflows crossed here more significantly than any other time in the last several days and weeks. The furthest down it went was minus 0.03, and it's hit here negative 0.22, guys. One of the largest amounts of outflows that we have seen in several weeks and months. The last time it was this low was back in March, when things pulled back from 64 cents to the 43-cent area, which is not that far off of a big pullback like it did that day, and it has done today after that bear indicator and outflow crossover. So right now, this is not exactly looking like what happened here. We need to see how things unravel, but that is a significant drop, about the same size as that date. Now, this one was about 20 cents. And today's was about 30 cents in total. Now I'm going to watch, will it do the same effect, bounce back up just a few days after and then fall right back down, creating a dead cat bounce effect? Or will there be real momentum in this pullback if it goes ahead and bounces back up in the next few days? That's going to be crucial and critical. But in that process, these inflows need to start picking up here, as right now the outflows are dominating on the 1 hour, and it's red, guys. It needs to pull back up, and in the process start reflecting strength into the charts and cancel out that bear indicator with a possible bull indicator. That is something to not ignore and miss here within the volatility. Now, when we zoom back in, the first support is 45 cents. It is fighting to stay above it here, currently sitting at 49 cents, and below that is the 40-cent area. And if 40 cents gets broken through, then comes the 35-cent area. I would not ignore these levels. Those are the key levels to the downside, and I'll be watching, will these outflows continue to dominate and pull down even lower? Because right now on multiple time frames, the outflows are dominating, right? Even though it's coming back up, the outflows are dominating within the volatility here on the 15-minute as well, and it's under a bear indicator since up here at 68 cents. Now, I'm going to watch to the upside if these inflows can start picking back up, reflect some of that strength into the 1 hour, heading towards the midpoint, and cross back over here on the 15-minute and reflect that strength into the charts to retest resistance levels and cancel out this bear indicator with a possible bull indicator, and roll that over into the 30-minute as well to cancel out that bear indicator from way up here at 67 cents. Get a bull indicator in the process. Well, the first resistance will be 55 cents. Then above that comes the 60-cent area, and most importantly, where that bear indicator popped up at the 67 mark. Now above that, we'll be talking about the 70 and 80-cent area, but first we need to get there and reassess what is going on within the charts, within that volatility. But it's going to be crucial, and I'm going to watch these inflows going into tomorrow on the 15-minute as it's trying to approach the midpoint as you see it there, and on the 30-minute it is trying to pick itself back up as well. As always, guys, these are the key levels to the upside and to the downside. I'm going to be watching these bull and bear indicators and the inflow versus outflow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.